time to have fun with Kitty and Lou.
Good morning, world! Wow! What a planet!
Oh, kia ora, Lou, my friend.
Kia ora. Panya,
Yes?
the world is big, right?
Yep, pretty big.
And I'm so small. Sometimes I feels a bit insignificant.
Oh, no. You might be small, but you can do big things if you want to.
Like, what things?
Oh, you can change the world if you want to.
What? Ah, doubt it. Are you sure?
Yep, it's easy.
Okay. How? Oh, come on. You're not going to tell me.
Maybe later.
What? You know how to change the world, but you're not telling? This is outrageous. Grown-ups can be so selfish, honestly. Oh, I feel so grouchy now.
Morning, Lou. How are you today?
Oh, I'm in a bad mood, actually. Go away. Oh, dear. That was a bit mean to poor Ichthyo.
Why did Lou yell at me? What did I do?
G'day, it's Yo. Lovely weather.
Oh, leave me alone. I don't feel like chatting.
Did you hear that?
How unpleasant.
Amphibians, honestly.
Hey, guys.
How are you doing?
Terrible.
Oh,
Oh, things can't be that bad.
What's so funny?
Yeah, get some manners.
you get some manners.
Oh, no. Everyone's being grumpy to each other.
Oh, don't let them upset you, Lemmy.
Don't tell me not to get upset.
Oh, my meanness was infectious. It's spreading. Oh, no.
Are you okay?
Oh, Pania, you were right. It is easy to change the world. I said something mean and grumpy, and meanness and grumpiness started spreading through the whole forest. Probably my meanness will cover the entire planet soon. What have I done?
Oh, don't worry. You could just as easily make things better.
Can I? Can I really?
Yes, you can. Because
little things we do, you'd be surprised what they bring. Little things we do, they can change everything. Throw a stone in the water, watch the ripples cross the pond. Just a tiny action, the energy goes on and on. See into the distance, listen to this song I sing. What we do makes a difference, each and every little thing makes a difference. What we